hide.
But it didn't stink this bad in the school. Oh yeah,
nampak dia.
I found you.
Hi, can you get me? Hello. Aku nak try.
Now you'll catch them for sure. Goodbye.
Wait.
See you later.
Wow, tengok topeng dia. Oh my god. Sekejap. Assalamualaikum. Berdosalah kalian tidak menjawab salamku dan selamat kembali ke channel aku ACT1907. Kali ini aku akan bermain game Horror Tale yang ketiga. Yes, korang dah tak salah dengar, Horror Tale yang ketiga dah pun keluar. So korang boleh pergi main sekarang. Tapi mungkin korang dah main dah pun dan dah menang dah pun, sebab video ni akan keluar mungkin seminggu selepas saya. Tapi aku sendiri dah habis main game Horror Tale yang pertama dan yang kedua, dan kali ni aku akan sambung main Horror Tale yang ketiga. Kalau korang tak tengok lagi gameplay aku punya Horror Tale yang pertama dan yang kedua, korang boleh pergi check description. Aku ada bagi link playlist gameplay aku bermain Horror Tale yang pertama dan yang kedua. Dan untuk Horror Tale yang ketiga ni, kalau korang perasan dekat menu dia, nampak tak perempuan tu? Aku rasa itu ialah witch yang sorry, aku masih sakit. Itu ialah witch yang mana kabak angin dalam Horror Tale yang pertama dan yang kedua, orang tak percaya sangat. Karakter kita lah, Tom, tak percaya sangat. Tapi rupa-rupanya mungkin witch ni betul, dan mungkin kali ni witch ni ialah musuh utama kita selain daripada kidnapper. Tapi apa-apa pun, jom kita terus masuk ke dalam game dan kita tengok macam mana gameplay Horror Tale yang ketiga. Let's go, new game. Horror Tale is an episodic game with a plot. We recommend you to complete the previous episode first. I already complete the previous episode. So kalau korang yang tak tengok lagi, boleh tengok gameplay aku ya. Kita main di normal mode lah. ACT kena main di normal mode.
A few moments later.
Previously in Horror Tale. Dia ada recap. Bagus. Aku pun tak ingat nak buat recap tadi. Sebaik dibuat. Alamak, I've seen the dolls he turns the children into.
I thought they could understand.
Okay, nampaknya dia agak-agak lag dekat bahagian ni. Aku harap kat bahagian ni je.
Careful, it'll be very hot. Don't burn your leg.
Yeah, ni Horror Tale yang kedua ni.
Tom, I still haven't had a chance to thank you. I couldn't have escaped without you.
Yeah.
The kidnapper mentioned a witch several times. One day, he took me into the woods, promising to show me something interesting.
Okay, dah. Biasalah ni masih baru-baru keluar. Masa aku main ni lah. So expect some glitches or bug.
Young lady,
waduh.
Dr. Tom at your service. I diagnose and prescribe treatment. It's all for free.
Ouch! Be careful, Tommy.
Lain
Free does
suara
not mean painful.
suara Sam.
That's it. I'm sorry. So my diagnosis is that you shouldn't have removed the shackles with a gas cutter. There's a medical reference book in my room. I'll see what I can do to help you.
Yeah, that'll be great. What are you gonna do after that? Do you have a plan?
Plan? I'll go to the
Aku nampak
encyclopedia and
sesuatu
find
tadi.
out how to get Harry back.
Tu
Are
tengok
you
kat belakang tu.
kidding?
Ada collectible.
Let's wait for the adults.
Sam, what if it's too late when my parents return? I'll make a trap on the workbench in the basement to protect myself.
You think you're Captain America. Maybe you should make yourself a shield too.
Don't worry. Have you forgotten who saved you from the prison? I'll be back before you miss me.
Okay.
Okay, just be very careful. And take this
Ooh.
camera too. You might need evidence. And maybe a couple of funny pictures to remember.
Okay, well, good luck to me. And you, young patient, hang in there. The doctor will return very soon.
Okay, Dr. Tom. Oh, wait. Sensitivity agak low ya. Naik sikit. No vibration please. So, welcome to Horror Tale yang ketiga. Wow, kita buat di mana ni? Hello, Samantha.
Doctor, I think the pain is getting worse due to lack of care.
Oh, itu ke pen dia? Ush, nampak macam teruk je. Okay, don't worry, Samantha. Dr. Tom akan selamat. Ni macam mana aku nak ambil? Mungkin aku kena lempar brick macam sebelum ni. By the way, ada apa kat sini? Kita kat mana ya? Kita berada di mana ni, guys?
Do we even have treatment at the hospital or open conversations?
Apa kau cakap tu, Sam?
How tempting those posters look. They seem to have a lot of useful things to buy.
What do you mean, useful thing to buy? Honored supported figure, speed up the release. Oh, faham. So ni untuk korang support developer dia. Ada
I wonder
blueprint.
what's on these posters. Let's take a closer look.
I am Tom. Blueprint, patterned box, explosive attraction, boombox, farewell silence, blueprint, sleeping spray. Tu macam benda-benda yang extra kot. Ada medical book. Mungkin ini yang kita perlukan untuk bantu Sam. Traditional medicine, passion flower, moss commune. Kita kena kumpul ke benda-benda ni? Chamomile, apapun itulah.
Okay, I think I figured out how I can make a healing bandage for Sam.
Oh,
I
healing
wonder
bandage.
what's on these posters. Let's take a closer look.
Okay. Blueprint medical
Here's the
bandage.
blueprint for the bandage. Sam, get ready. I'm gonna be so good at treatments, I might even open my own clinic.
Oh, okay. Oh, ada bola. Kita boleh ambil bola. Oh, kita boleh main. Oh, aku tahu. Bolehkah kita guna bola ni untuk ambil collectible? Let's try. Ho. Oh yes, boleh. So maksudnya bola ni macam brick. Mungkin kita boleh lempar dekat orang jahat yang akan kejar kita. Kita tak tahu lagi sama
I wonder what's
ada.
for sale here. The posters look promising.
Okay. Sama ada. Dan satu lagi, rumah yang kita ada kat sini ialah rumah Tom. Yang mana sebelum ni kita tak boleh masuk sebab ada anai-anai table.
Oh, how cool would a boombox look here? I've always wanted one to listen to music.
Boombox ni item yang kat poster kan. Oh yeah.
Oh, finally! They installed latches on the doors. Now I can lock myself in my room away from everyone.
So shelter? Ni tempat sembunyi. So tempat tadi tu macam safe zone kita kot. What is that? Tip, I'm still standing in the doorway. Untuk apa ni? I'm still standing in the doorway. So
You have 2 new messages. First message.
Hello, Sunshine. I hope you're
Hello.
doing well. I just spoke with the twins' mother, who insists on continuing the
Oh,
search. We're gonna be
yes.
here for a couple more days. You are a big boy. Cook yourself something. I miss you.
Yes, Mom, I am fine. Thanks for asking. I've just
Yeah.
been running around from a serial killer for the past 2 days. And
yeah.
I'm just about to visit him now.
Yeah.
Second message.
Hello, Diana. I can't find Ralph anywhere.
Ralph?
Is he at your place? Oh, God. If he's crawling around that stinking sewer
Sewer?
again, he'll be washing dishes for the rest of his life. And if he gets his dad's hat dirty, no video games for a
Oh.
month.
Is Ralph lost? I hope he hasn't become another creepy doll. I
Okay.
should look for him.
Raf, siapa Raf? Kawan baru kita kah? Later.
So, I need to read the medical book, craft the trap, and find Ralph. It's gonna be a busy day.
Yup, sounds busy enough. Raf, kawan baru ya. boleh keluar?
First, I have to build a trap to protect myself from Ethan.
Ethan? Siapa Ethan? Ethan? Ada basement? Siapa Ethan? Oh, ada tangga ke atas lagi. Ni tempat tadi Oh ya, yeah, betul. By the way, blueprintnya kau nak letak kat mana? Mungkin dekat basement. Jom kita masuk ke basement. Oi, ada tangga ke atas lagi? Ada fuse. Okay.
Looks like Mom locked up the workshop, but there's another way to get in.
Suara dia dengan game macam agak delay Ada jalan. Ada cardboard, ada blueprint sticky trap. Oh, ni yang kita perlukan untuk kita supaya kita boleh keluar. Oh, kita boleh letak kat sini.
Right. Now I need to find all the items and place them in the correct baskets of the workbench.
So, ini ialah bahan-bahan untuk membuat medical bandage untuk Sam. Kita perlukan moss, bandage dan alcohol bottle. Baik. Dari sini ada lagi item, ada resin, ada super glue, banyaknya item kat bawah ni. Okay.
Here's my blueprint of the sticky trap. I should put it on the workbench.
Boleh tak banyak ke? So kalau aku nak okay. Blueprint sticky trap, resin super. Oh, semua tu dah ada. Kita dah ada resin.
Crazy sticky.
Crazy sticky.
The main thing is to not glue my fingers together faster than the plan works.
Okay. Wow, how convenient. You have workbench here.
Oh, great! This is exactly what Ethan needs to stop running around.
Trap.
And the cool thing is that it can be reused multiple times.
Ethan tu... Uh-oh.
Andy! Is Tommy coming out to play? Tommy! Tommy!
Wait.
Tommy! Tommy!
Oh.
Tommy!
So, nama kidnapper tu Ethan Sejak bila kita tahu nama dia Ethan? Aku tak ingat
Come out! Don't be afraid.
Sekejap. Ethan tu dia boleh masuk dalam rumah kita
No
ke?
horror game can be done without it.
No horror game can be done without it.
You can't hide.
Oh, hi. Oh, ada aku drop sekejap. Kenapa rumah kita ada pagar biru ni? Oh, ada collectible item. Ambil.
Wow, that's another one to add to my collection.
Okay. Tempat ni dah jadi makin sempit. Aku dengar suara anjing. Come and find me. Dia keluar daripada rumah kita ke?
Wow, that's
Dia
another
boleh
one
masuk
to
dalam
add to
rumah
my
kita.
collection.
Ada kertas. Mrs. Randy, the passage is temporarily closed to keep the kids safe, just as you requested. Repairs on the stable will begin next week. PS, by the way, we apologize in advance for the demolished fence. We'll give you a $300 discount to make up for our tractor driver, who apparently thought sobriety was for the weak. Thanks for your understanding.
It turns out that the renovations haven't started yet, but the adventures have already begun.
So, dia terhancurkan pagar rumah ni. Baik, dah tak ada apa-apa aku rasa kat sini. Oh, kita pergi dulu. Sewa. Bye. Okay. Tempat baru sewa. So, tadi kita dah ada message yang ada kawan pada mak kita kata ada anak dia nama dia Ralph, iaitu kawan kita juga. Tak ada kat rumah dia. Dia suspect sama ada kat rumah kita, tapi memang tak ada, ataupun dia dekat sewa ni. So, adakah kita akan jumpa orang baru? Oh, lepas tu dia kata jangan kotorkan topi ayah dia.
Here's the hat of the sheriff.
Ralph's father.
Well, at least he didn't get it dirty.
Ni membuktikan dia memang ada kat sini. Okay. So, we have to find Ralph. Wait. I think I see him. that, Ralph?
Ralph! I knew you'd be hanging out here again. Wow, the locals flocked to you like a big pile of jam.
Jam? Tommy, have you got any jam?
Of course not. Where from? Never mind. How did you end up here?
A guy in a mask was chasing me. I was running on the ground above a sewer, then I blinked and here I am. It's a good thing that I fell into the water. Otherwise, I would never collect the pieces. I had juice and chocolate with me, but I'm out. I'd give anything for a jar of jam right now.
Forget about the jam already. So is there no way out?
You see that big door? That's probably the way out, but the water's making it impossible to open. You need to find a way to remove the water and open the door. Tom, get me out of here. I'm hungry.
Okay,
I'll even give
okay.
you my red car.
Oh,
Just help me.
really?
Oh, Ralph, I don't need your car. Okay, I'll try to help. And
Sembang je.
then you'll need a good wash. Otherwise, you'll have to love washing dishes.
Oh ya, dia kena denda. Hang in there, Ralph. I will save you. Selamatkan Ralph. Kena selamatkan Samantha. Cari Harry. Ada banyak pula kawan kita.
The pump must have run out of fuel. Otherwise, there wouldn't be so much water here.
Oh, so kita perlukan fuel untuk buat sewa ni tak banjir. So itu pintu dia. Nampak banjir tak boleh turun. So there is nothing here. Aku tak nampak juga Ethan tu. Adakah dia tak boleh datang ke sini? Pelik pula kan. Aku tak mungkin dia tak boleh datang ke sini. Sebab setiap tempat tu. Okay.
Knows where you are. You can't hide from me.
Oh, dia memang target kita dah sekarang ni. Dia perasan kita tak ada. Ada lagi tape. I'm a clown, but I don't.
Looks like someone is throwing around the soundtrack of my adventures.
Apa maksudnya? Tape ni ada banyak weh. Aku tinggal dulu lah. Aku rasa tape ni bukan key item. Macam, oh aku nampak dia.
Oh, it's almost as dark in here as it was in that mine. At least there were glowing crystals.
Oh, ada simbol untuk kita tangkap gambar. 7.
Smile for the camera, Mr. Symbol.
Ada tempat masuk kat bawah tu.
There's no way I'm going there. Unless I
Okay.
want to get sliced up like a potato.
Tak ada, aku tak ada kat bawah tu. Tahu-tahu je aku nak masuk tadi.
Crawling through the vents. I practiced it already. But
Yeah.
it didn't stink this bad in the school. Oh yeah,
nampak dia.
I found you.
Hi, can you get me? Hello. Oh. Aku tak sang. Okay, that was my bad. Sorry guys. So kita berada di layer dia. Aku rasa. Dan aku tak tahu kenapa berelektrik sangat ni. Ada
I
brick.
shouldn't touch this handle unless I want to get fried.
Well, what can I do? Tak boleh. Get me out of here. Oh, mungkin aku perlu lempar ke arah tu. Ada benda lain ke? Tak ada. Let's try. Hop. Oh, tepat sekali. Hello. So, semua tempat dekat sini dah berubah. Seingat aku ada simbol kat sini sebelum ni. Kat bawah ni ada. Tangkap. Ada 7. Alright.
I'm collecting symbols like my grandma was collecting stamps.
Yeah. Where is Ethan, by the way? Ada valve.
What a heavy valve. I think I've seen similar ones somewhere before.
Oh, tempat ni pun dah makin kecil. Collectible.
Wow, that's another one to add to my collection.
Tempat kenapa dah jadi dengan tempat ni? Kenapa banyak sangat tempat berubah ni? Container.
Oh, this is something new. It looks like a container from the sawmill. Apparently Ethan's bringing in everything he can get his hands on.
Sawmill tempat lama Aku tak ingat. Sawmill tempat yang macam maze tu. Aku ingat aku kena tangkap waktu tu. Aku tak tahu macam nak keluar daripada sawmill yang maze tu. Kita boleh masuk kat bawah ni? Tak boleh. Ada apa bawah tu? Macam ada sesuatu. Mana Ethan? Ethan, are you here? Ada oh, benda ni kat dalam Kita boleh masuk kat dalam rumah dia ke? Ke Ethan ke ada cutscene? Aku masuk dalam rumah dia nanti tiba-tiba ada. Hello. Dalam bilik ni kita nampak siapa? Harry jadi kayu, jadi patung maksudnya. Wah, ada tip lagi. Where are they? Aku rasa tip ni macam entahlah. Bandage. Newspaper clipping. August 13, 1996, today Stephen Woodley lost his life in a fire. Oh, Stephen Woodley. According to the fire inspector, the blaze was caused by a child's careless handling of the gas stove. Okay. The whole district mourns. His children, Ethan and Anna, were pulled from the flames. But who will take care of them now? May God watch over them. Ethan and Anna.
Looks like Ethan and his sister got burned in that fire, and their dad died. What a nightmare.
Oh my God. So Ethan had a sister. Had or still has a sister. What happened to your sister? I'm sorry for your dad, chain.
Interesting chains.
Interesting.
I think I've seen them in a video game. Yay! I'm adding this to my collection.
Mana Ethan by the way? Aku dah habis explore ni. Dah tak ada kan? Hopefully aku tak miss apa-apa. Wait, ada bandage tadi. Letak dulu. Oh,
I can't do what you asked me to do in time. But if I can't get her back, I'll go crazy.
No, don't worry, child. I'll help you.
Uh-oh.
And when we're all together again, will we have a party? Remember, Dad, you promised me.
Just wait a bit longer. There's very little time left until the solar eclipse.
Solar eclipse?
It's going to be the best celebration you've ever had.
Oh, muka Ethan. Kita akhirnya boleh nampak. Oh my God. Kenapa tu? Dia buat apa tu weh? What happened? Bagilah tengok. Oh.
Now you'll catch them for sure. Goodbye.
Wait.
See you later.
Wow, tengok topeng dia. Oh my God. Sekejap. Musuh kita dapat upgrade kah?
Now he glows like Electro. If this was all a game, I'd need cheat codes to deal with him.
Oh.
Sam, do you copy?
Oh my God, 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 oh my God.
You won't believe what I just saw. The witch is real, and she did something to Ethan. Now he looks like a walking neon sign.
No.
God. I knew it wasn't just a rumor.
That's not all. It looks like they're planning something before the solar eclipse.
What is that?
I didn't get it all, but it
What is
sounded
that?
creepy.
Solar eclipse. It's like in those horror tales where everything ends badly if you don't get
Aku rasa
something
aku
done in
kena
time.
letak trap.
Apparently, we have a deadline.
Yeah, deadline. As if my math homework wasn't enough.
Listen, Hurry up.
Hello, lari.
Roger that. Looks like the funny photos to remember are on a hold for now.
Kejap.
Man, I wish this was as easy as collecting eggs for Harry's mom. Alright then, I'm off on a simple hunt. Hang in there, Sam. I'll see you
Hanginlah,
later.
Sam. Wih, serabut weh dia orang bercakap-cakap. Aku rasa aku patut dengar tapi tak boleh lah kecuali kat scene. Tak ada kenapa dengan kaki aku. Aku pijak apa? Mungkin aku pijak benda biru-biru tu kot. Wah, ada pit lah. Sekejap.
I'm not going to walk.
Ingatkan dia upgrade laju weh. Aku rasa benda ni tak boleh tadi. Aku jadi macam Okay. Suspicious. Ada item. Okay, sorry. Aku batuk. Aku nak tengok kat pit tadi.
Apa ni?
Wow. Looks like Ethan's digging a new well. Isn't a whole dungeon enough for him?
Aku salah jatuh.
Oh, this is not the first time I've taken down walls.
So what? Hai. Aku tak faham kenapa dengan pit tu. Apa fungsi kita jom masa kita naik balik? Tapi item kita dah penuh ni. Ambil sahaja dulu. Okay. Aku ambil dulu benda ni, aku letak kat basikal. Nanti aku akan datang balik untuk steel cable.
The rope is made of very strong steel. It's heavy.
Okay, kita akan pergi tempat lain, ke forest kot. Should I go to the forest? Alright, so this is the forest. Ada cemetery, Lake Witch Cemetery. Oh, dia dekat sini.
It's locked.
Aku nampak dia. Ni kenapa dengan pokok ni?
The tree must have been struck by lightning.
Tree.
It looks like it's about to fall.
So, kita tak boleh pergi dekat ke dengan pokok tu? It's about to fall.
Oh, I wish I had a machete or a flamethrower.
Machete or flamethrower untuk pergi kat tempat situ kot. Ini tempat apa ni? No. What is this? Ini bukan ke altar.
I think this is the place Sam was talking about, but there's no mask on the altar. That's
Moss.
weird.
Moss. Ini item untuk Sam. Aku ganti dulu.
The basket is already full.
What's that noise?
Can you go away please? Aku tak nak guna trap, dia lambat je.
Rush it all.
Quick. Dekat mana weh? Run! No! Wow. Aku gunalah. Tolonglah pijak trap aku buat tu. Aku tak habis explore kat sini. Ada ni. Sekejap, ambil dulu gambar. Okay, kita dah dapat 3. Ada pintu.
Nice. If it's locked.
Okay, it's locked. Okay, brick. I don't need brick. Kalau jalan ke atas.
What's that noise?
Ya Allah, ya Allah, ya Allah. Tempat sembunyi.
Where to hide? I know every corner.
Dah tak ada apa kot. Hai. Ada selagi tempat dekat sini. Blap 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 blap. Okey. Aku rasa tak ada apa-apa. Sini ada item, ada item. Dalam ni tak ada. Botol. Okay, dah. Aku nak keluar. Okay. Circus. Tempat baru. Alright. Welcome to the circus.
Watch advertisements, but I'm not my father.
Ooh, circus. Salah. Sorry. Super glue. Super glue bukan untuk buat trap Mungkin kita boleh buat sekali lagi kalau kita kehabisan trap. Okay, that's nice. Ada item. Ada saw.
Saw with teeth? I hope it will be handy for something useful and not participating in a horror show.
Yeah. Saw. Mungkin kita boleh guna saw untuk tebang pokok yang dia kata nak tumbang tu.
Have you ever stuck your fingers in a socket? Why not give it a try?
No. Kenapa aku lagi kat sini? Ada tangga. Naik. Oh, ada tu. Ada collectible. Okay. Oh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alah, miss. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tak sampai. Yes. Dunia pun.
Well done! I found another one.
Good job. Tak penting pun benda yang collectible ni. Tapi tak apalah, halang-halang tu kan. Oh, ada switch.
The signal doesn't reach the clown's teeth.
So itulah gunanya fuse. Okay, baik. So kita perlukan fuse untuk dekat kotak tadi. Baik. So dah tak ada apa Okay, so kita akan pergi kembali dan ambil fuse. Super glue, ada saw. Fuse tadi aku tinggal dekat. Okay, aku nak try. Aku nak try ambil saw. Nak try tembang pokok tu bila aku sampai dekat forest. Okay, let's go to the forest. Okay.
Claire, we have a plan, remember? Though, maybe wandering around is a part of the strategy too?
Hah? Dia cakap dengan aku ke? Okay. Apapun, aku dah rekod sangat lama sekarang ni. So,
I'm not going to walk.
Okay. Aku pergi sembunyi dulu. Okay. Jadi aku akan end dulu video kat sini sebab game ni dia boleh save. So aku boleh continue, progress aku pun tak hilang. So kalau korang suka ke video ni dan korang nak tahu apa yang berlaku seterusnya, jangan lupa untuk klik like, comment, share dan subscribe. Jumpa lagi di video akan datang. Bye. Assalamualaikum.